How to clean up the drawings. When working with imported files, some may require cleanup before they can be processed. SmartCut Quote provides tools to help you easily manage and correct some issues. After the files are loaded, you'll notice that some are marked in green, while others may appear in red. Files marked in green are ready for processing as they are clean and error-free. However, files marked in red indicate that they have issues that need to be addressed before they can be processed. Removing title blocks or other entities. To clean up a drawing, such as removing title blocks or other unnecessary elements, start by right-clicking on the red marked drawing and selecting Edit to open the editor. Next, use the left mouse button to draw a window around the shape you want to keep. Then, right-click and choose Remove Rest to eliminate all entities outside the selected area. You can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel to better focus on the part you want to retain. Once you're satisfied with your selection, click the green tick to confirm. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl-Z to undo your last action before confirming. Adding bend lines and etching. Processes such as bending and etching can be easily added to your drawing using SmartCut Quote. Here's how you can do it. To add bend lines, right-click on the part and select Edit to open the editor. Once in the editor, use the left mouse button to select the bend line. If you have more than one line, hold down the Control button while selecting additional lines. The selected lines should turn red. Next, right-click and choose Add Bending from the menu. The lines will change to a magenta color, indicating that the bending process has been successfully added. Similarly, if you want to add entities for etching or marking, use the left mouse button to window select the entities you want to etch. Once highlighted in red, right-click and select the Add Etching option. This will apply the etching process to the selected entities, which is particularly useful if your etching involves open polylines.